What's up, guys? This is Joseph with JB's DIY Garage. Just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on how to run this 105 thou trimmer line, medium duty trimmer line in your Craftsman electric weed eater. What I have found essentially is that this thicker stuff doesn't really like to work with this once you restring it. And I think I figured out why. This right here is a lot thicker than most trimmer line, and you can see right here, this, whenever you put it inside either this hole or that hole and then string it around and restring it, this sticks up quite a bit. So all I did, and that sticks up and it interferes with the ability for this to click, and then basically that gear underneath, it won't allow it to turn and essentially self-feed. And that's what is really nice about these, is these self-feed. And basically all that I did, of course, it just unspooled on me because I'm trying to do this all one-handed. All I did is took my pocket knife, the old Milwaukee Fastback, and I sliced off the top of this until it pulled just fine by hand. All you got to do is snap this guy back on once this is all in there, and then click it. And as long as it clicks, you're good to go and you should be able to run it. But another option you could do is right here where it goes over that hump. So like right here, you could run it essentially to where, or cut that down to where it goes down flush. That way you don't have that sticking out right there. But either way, it's a little harder with this thicker line, but this stuff does last a lot longer and it cuts through shit way better. Another thing you can do is this cutter here to trim your line. That gets dull, just hit it with a file, one of those little file sets, trim that, not trim that, but sharpen that, and then it'll cut like new again. So hopefully that helps you guys with running this thicker line in this Craftsman electric weed eater. So thanks. Give me a subscribe and comment if you got any questions or any suggestions, and we'll catch you on the next one.